So here's the start of day 2. Slight change of plans from yesterday. We're not going to go and do the Atlantic Coastal Road because it's just a bridge that goes over some water, and in Norway there appears to be quite a lot of that, apart from a really cool name. So our next destination is going to be the Atlantic Circle, and there's a wee centre there, and well, as it says there, Atlantic Circle. However, last night as we were packing or unpacking and getting ready to go, there was a landslide, and all that stuff from there fell down to here, and we had the boom afterwards. Fortunately, it doesn't reach us because there's a train track there and everything else. However, the site of this little location is the old railway station, which is pretty decent. So no camping sign just around the corner here, and people set a bonfire and had a barbecue. Nobody seems bothered, but I can't really complain because the toilets say they're closed from 9:30 at night and only open at 8 o'clock. It's now just before 7, and thankfully I've got in for some morning routine, so that's good. So as I said, we've skipped, we're going to skip the Atlantic Ocean Road, and we're going to head straight up to the Arctic Circle and maybe actually get a proper campsite up there tonight. Get a good doby rather than a squatty wash. And hopefully she's decent, because, well, it could be awkward if she's not. This was us last night. We got invaded by caravanners. I don't know if you can see, she is waving. Yes, it is a bit jerky, and what I'll do is I will use the proper camera for this after this, because I'm a wee bit bumpy and a wee bit jumpy. She's in here somewhere. Oh Jesus. Oh dear. Here we are.
Still raining.
We kind of got a little bit rammed in there. Hopefully the brews are on and she's making a good coffee. If I tilt this and it works, then we get to see the view of where we were last night. So far, so good. We did have quite a good frame last night, but Mr. Bry, let's call him Bry, B.R. Hansen, blocked it. It's fine. Anywho, gonna get my Cocoa Pops and coffee, and then we're gonna get on the road. We're going home.
I will turn this car around.
I would do, but we're lost.
We're not. We're just driving up this road at the moment. There's a river flowing down the side bit. We've climbed such a way. There's waterfalls everywhere. Because the trouble is, you don't realise there's going to be a waterfall until you've driven past it.
Waterfall.
Oh, see what I mean?
Lofoten is the aim.
Yeah, there's not much in the way of videos and pictures today so far.
But we promise we're going to spam the crap out of it when we get to Lofoten.
Yeah, there'll be lots of spamming and stick to death at the side of us. Won't that be fun? Anyway, right, my arm's starting to ache, and as you can see, I'm not very good at keeping it stable. So rather than make everyone feel past it.
Well, not much to report on this trip at this stage. As you can see, the weather is in true Norwegian fashion stinking, so we won't be doing much footage.
Get a lovely shot of the wipers.
Yeah, the wipers as they go past, stuck behind a truck with a horse box, which is bring plenty of speed and the howling weather. So, to that end, until we find something nice next, we'll be back. Tschüssi!
Hey, so we've just stopped in Trondheim briefly for camera supplies and really healthy food. And now heading back off again.
Mo I Rana.
Next stop, see you then.
So detour number 154 on this trip. Now we're on our way to hell. Well, been married 10 years, we've gone well beyond hell now.
We're in the centre of hell.
Yes, so we've been to hell. We're going to walk up to the road sign that probably everybody takes the picture from and be that stupid touristy bloke. So, yeah.
It's not currently frozen over.
No,
Currently
no,
it was.
sadly it's not frozen over. Bit frosty. Cool, right, yeah, we're in hell. Been in hell for a long time, so no change for me. Haha, choose!
Right, so we thought we'd do an update because the sun is out.
North Norway!
Oh, and yeah, we've crossed into North Norway. Insert picture here. Because my camera skills are awful. Okay.
We have reached North Norway. We are not far from stop number 2, Mo I Rana. That's not how you say it, that's how it should be said. The road is all nice and new. I think it's only just recently opened, which is wonderful. Allows us to drive properly and admire some fantastic new scenery. Now, unfortunately, because the camera is where it is, we can't see all the lovely lake on the left. We do have pictures, so they hopefully will be inserted into this video if I've done it properly. If not, trust me, it looks pretty good. Snow in the mountains, sun in the sky, rocks on the ground. That's pretty much sums Norway up when it's nice. What else summed Norway up was about 4 hours ago in the rain and the 25-30 k's an hour under the speed limit that everyone was doing. So, you know, we've got the best of both worlds just now.
I think you took it really well, Matthew. You kept it calm.
I did. I did.
And you had good humour. You didn't get angry at all.
I did. That's fine. There's nothing I like more than people driving in slow speed limits, already slower.
I think Study said it best when he said, go! Go!
But unfortunately, I can't see left right now because it's looking really quite nice. See if I can move the camera. Just unlock the screen, please. Thank you. Unfortunately, I can't see the screen now, so I don't know what I'm looking at. So here's hoping what you can see is wonderful. Hi. Looking in the right camera this time, the right place. So that's us. We've made it to Mo I Rana, yeah?
Yeah.
The campsite that was, we booked it 3 hours before getting here, 3 or 4 hours before getting here. Phoned them up, booked it, got it confirmed. Got here, it's fully booked. I was like, no, we booked it. So we got it eventually sorted. So now we're sat down. I've got my Brooklyn. No, wrong. I've got my brew dog and Lindsay.
And I have Brooklyn.
That's Brooklyn. We're rocking the pot noodles tonight because we had unhealthy McDave's for late lunch in Trondheim. We were a bit pushed to get up here, so we got up here.
That is 9 PM now. I'm not.
No.
I wouldn't want to cook at home at 9 PM.
So it's 9 o'clock, I think.
Ish.
20 past 9. And that's us. We're getting ready to get, well, showered, bed. Lofoten tomorrow. We're there.
That campsite is great.
Yeah.
Generator all used.
Quiet. We've got the let's turn this. We've got the wee thermocell going.
First excursion of that, isn't it?
There's the bus. So let's see if we can pan out a bit. This is in all our glory, hiding us from the sun, which is good. Hopefully this wee thing there protects us from the midges. If not, it's going to be a long ass night, or a warm night. We're not quite sure yet. In fact, there's a wee beastie flying around me now. So first test failed. Good job. Anyway, I'm going to eat my pot noodle, drink my beer, get a shower, go to bed. So yeah. Bye.